Alright, so papanoorin natin yung pinakamagaling na girl group living today sa Pilipinas. And may potential na maging pinakamagaling sa buong mundo. Damn! That's the intro. Subscribe! Kung Zonara fan ka, subscribe. Ganun agad, no? So, this is the verdict. This is the shit. Kung malupit to, we're gonna say it's malupit. Pero kung, we'll see. Kasi hindi ko pa napapanood. Pero, I've seen them perform live and it's freaking crazy. They're freaking beautiful. But, let's scratch that. Kalimutan ng lahat at tignan natin kung malupit ba tong MV na to. Kung hindi, wala tayong magagawa. Diba? Kung hindi malupit, edi hindi malupit. Tignan natin. Pero kung Sonara fan ka, I'm also a fan. So subscribe to the channel and let's see kung malupit ba talaga ang Sonara. Eto na. Huwag na nang hintay-hintay. Tignan natin. Shoutouts muna sa pinakamalupit na si Master Jula with a M5 badge para sa mouse. Umayos ka para di ma-end on left. Master Jula, thank you so much. Sonara Tabi. Let's go. Good start of an MV. Excuse me. Damn, let's make it louder. Make it louder, man, because the bass is crazy. Damn, the intro was nice. I love it. Oh, there's a onesie logo right there because they're the first girl group of the onesie Entertainment. Holy shit! And this is the debut song. Oh my god. Let's go. Ako naka-subscribe. How dare you? Alright. Shit. May iPad. Nakamatcha ata siya, okay? May halo. Damn! What an awesome idea to do something like that na nadapa siya. Wow, ang perfect ng pagkakalat nung gamit niya sa sahig. Napakaganda niya pa. You deserve a slow clap for that, girl. Damn! That's freaking awesome. That's bad. Let's go. Tapos yung vocals nitong ni Ma'am is awesome. Tara magbato! Ang ganda pakinggan ng timbre ng boses niya. Bruh, the transition from that. Tapos nahulog na lumabas yung mga contents ng nasa bag niya. Lumabas yung mga phone, mga little screens and shit. Tapos biglang nandun yung... Tapos dun na yung next na transition. This is nice. Oh, by the way, I love you, girl. You're awesome. You're pretty, but... Ano ka ba? Anong trabaho mo? Ba't nagsaswap ka ba ng cellphone sa Facebook Marketplace? Ba't ganito yung eto yung problema natin dito, girl. Nasa anong line of work ka? Bakit kailangan mo na magganyan kadami? Baka madami kang madami kang textmate para hindi mahuli ng kanyang main guy. Kaya kailangan madami siyang phone. Matalino! Ang dami ng cellphone dito, lupit. But the idea is freaking nice, man. I love it when they do something like this. Very intellectual. I love the concept. Let's go.
namin ay malaki-laki. Padali kay na ana medali. Run, run, ari-ari pa. Oh, you live love of a dance and a feeling brand new. With the words, baby, I know will come through. Oh yeah, every step and groove. I know you be feeling it too. Now, hey.
The transition is killing me. The simplicity of the transition, pero yung quality niya, man, oh my God, walang nasasayang na special effects because it's freaking awesome. Yung, damn, the fuck was that? Simple lang siya, sinipa lang naman na can, okay, sinipang lata. Pero hindi na kailangan ng malupitang may mga unicorn pang lumilipad dyan para sayangin yung special effects. Ganito gumawa, man. Holy shit. As simple as that, bruh. And they're freaking... Who is this one? Is this Dominic? Dang! I don't even recognize you, man. She's so pretty. What the heck? Right now, I don't even believe that this is the debut song of this group. This is just a debut freaking song right here. Tas ganito na sila kalupit. And somebody is saying that they are not ready. I beg to disagree. Kung hindi to ready, kailan? Anong kulang? There's nothing lacking here. They're awesome. Damn. And to think that they made this song. They wrote this song. It's freaking crazy. And napakahirap gumawa ng ganito in this era na mas mataas na yung standard ng Pinoy, bruh. Mataas na. Your any mediocre shit is not accepted no more. So you have to make certain improvements, and they did it. And she's pretty. We be making our way. Hey, fresh crew, yo, we setting up the hey. Out of 10, we're from zero just to hey. The fuck is that shot? What happened here? Fresh crew, yo, we setting up the hey. Out of 10. What is this? But ano, sadya ba tong may nagbibideo dito? Okay lang ba yan? Sinadya yan? Intentional? I don't know. Pwede siguro kasi meron naman dito merong siguro etong part na to, this is the part that they are practicing, ganun ba yun? Parang the part of the music video where they are saying na okay, ito yung practice, may nagbibideo sa inyo, ganun ba yun? Tapos may backup dancer dito. Is that it? Kasi parang ba't may ligaw na dito, na shot? I don't know. Pero sa tingin ko intentional yan. Alright. Who was that? Who is this woman right here? Who's this girl? She is freaking stunning. Napakaangas na, ang lupit ng forma niya. I mean, I'm saying this to everybody, man. They're all awesome. Sobrang sexy nila. Ang ganda ng forma nila. Bruh, I'm sensing something from this group and I wish the best, but they're definitely there, man. They're there. I also love the idea that they're the tsunami. Everything in the front of tsunami is blown away to pieces. So kapag dumaan na yung Zonara, tsunami sila, kaya boom, sabog kayong lahat, tumabi kayo. That's awesome.
na ito pagsugalan, hindi ko susukuan. Di kailanman mawawalan, tibok ang ari-ari at tinuturing ko na yaman.
Ang sarap naman ng mga, ang sarap nung grit sa rap verse na yon. May ano eh, merong pitik eh. May spilantik ng dila. Napakagaling. Ang angas din kasi si ano pa talaga bumitaw, silang dalawa. Si Eureka pati si sino yun, the Bisaya girl, the Bisaya lady. Napakalupit ng dila nila. Masarap pakinggan. Lalo na Tagalog yung words, very awesome. And this woman right here is freaking pretty. Ito yung pinaka mahinhin sa kanila. I like her as well.
Yeah, we vibe and we dance and we're feeling brand new. We don't worry 'cause baby I know we'll come through. Oh yeah.
You can see, right? They are showing their feminine side. Yung cutesy, I'm pretty girl, I'm a pretty woman, I'm a pretty baby girl. Tapos meron din mga parts na ulul. Kasapakin kita pag binastos mo ko. Ano yan? Ang maangas. Tapos merong kagaya niyan. I'm pretty. May bubbles lang. I love those. Para silang yin-yang na pinaghalo. Na, alam mo yon, may dark part na maangas. May white part na kikay kami. And they got the exact, na-master nila yung chemistry between those parts of them. And sana yun yung maging legacy nila kasi I would love to see those kind of things.
Every step and groove, you'll be feeling it too. Oh, now we'll be young. Basta tayo magkasama, lahat ng mga pangarap babagaya. Hawakan ang aking kamay nang mawalang lumay. No need to fear, just hold on tight.
Nagsama pa yung dalawang pinipili kong bias kung sino sa kanila. Nagtabi pa kayo, no?
I'm feeling it, this is how it's done.
Move tabi-tabi, move tabi-tabi.
Move like tsunami, move like tsunami. Fresh crew, yeah, we setting up the pace. Out of town, we're from
I don't know how they did this, but hindi ko alam kung kailan nila sinut to. But kailan ba yung ulan na huli? Parang ngayon lang umulan eh. Parang last 3 days lang. Hindi ko alam kung paano sila nagkaroon ng ulan dito, man. But I love this part. The rain, man. Just showing that any weather, papalag kami. It's not that deep, but for me, I love it. I love the idea na, man. Even if it's raining, G, let's go.
register. So raw, we've been making out. Wait. Fresh crew, yeah, we setting up the pace. Out of town, we're from zero register. So raw, we've been making out. Wave.
What? Oh man, Dominic is so freaking freaking hot.
Wave.
Yeah, Dominic got the post, bruh. I can't tell you what is, but this is freaking crazy. This is a win. How many views? They're almost 400k for a debut song and a debut music video. Let me just comment something here. Andito na si Bong. De joke lang. Andito na ang pinaka magaling na girl group. And I'm not gonna say sorry for that. Because that is just the facts for me. And I think they can do it. Please comment that shit right there. That's awesome. I cannot emphasize it enough. I'm excited to I'm excited for the next one. I wish them the best. They're freaking awesome. What can I say? All right, that's Sonata for you guys. Let's go.